Roll it, clown.
A papier-mâché head is started by making a neck piece of heavy paper. A sheet of newspaper is crumpled into a ball and tied to the neck piece. Wheat paste is mixed to the consistency of thick cream. Then strips of newspaper are coated with the paste and are built up in layers over the paper ball and neck piece. When 5 or 6 layers have been built up, the head is set aside to dry and harden. When it has hardened, the shape may be changed and refined by adding wads of paper soaked in paste and placing paper strips over them. Torn pieces of paper toweling are put on last to give the head a finished surface. After the head is dried thoroughly, it is painted with tempera. Here, other materials are added to papier-mâché. This is ordinary sawdust. It should be sifted to get rid of any coarse pieces. Add water until the sawdust feels like wet sand. When wheat paste has been added, the sawdust will hold together, making it easier to model. Shape the head around your index finger. Pull the features out of the mass rather than adding parts. While the sawdust is still wet, other materials can be pressed into it. Rest the head in a nest of newspaper so that it will dry without flattening. A neck is added by forming a cylinder around the index finger and gluing it into the hole at the base of the head. Later, the costume will be fastened to this. Before it is painted, the sawdust may be sanded to a smooth surface. Try experimenting with many kinds of material for hair.